In this video, you'll learn how to run programs in the background using the Ubuntu terminal. This is useful when you want a task to run, but still use the terminal for other things. Open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T. Try running this, sleep 60. This command pauses for 60 seconds, but notice the terminal stays busy. You can't type anything else until it's finished. This is called running in the foreground. Now, let's run it in the background. Type sleep 60, and this time, the task runs in the background. You'll see a job number and a process ID. The terminal stays free so you can still type commands or open new programs. To check background tasks, type jobs. It shows active jobs from the current session. To bring one back to the front, use FG. This lets you interact with it again. If you want a task to keep running even after closing the terminal, type nohup sleep 60 and the word nohup means no hang-up. It prevents the program from stopping when the terminal closes. That's all you need to know to run programs in the background on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.